Let's walk through an example program from beginning to end. Python always begins at line 1 tab 0. The statement at line 1 tab 0 is def add 3x. LWPython stores the function header in the function map. LWPython skips the function body. The statement at line 4 tab 0 is a equals 5. This is an assignment statement. Python is going to store 5 in variable a. Line 5 is also an assignment statement. LWPython is going to evaluate the function call on the right side of the equal sign. LWPython first pushes the function call to the expression stack. Next, Python is going to evaluate the function call argument a. A is 5, so 5 is pushed to the top of the value stack. All arguments have been evaluated, so Python prepares to jump to the function. LWPython constructs the function input map from the function parameters and the computed arguments. Next, Python saves the current state in the context stack, replaces the local variables map with the function input map, and jumps to the add3 function body. At time 12, the current line is now 2 and the current tab is 1. LWPython now executes the assignment at line 2. Since x is 5, z is going to be 5 plus 3, or 8. The statement at line 3 tab 1 is return z. This is a return statement. First, Python evaluates the expression z. LWPython is now going to pop the value stack and assign it to the return value. Python then returns to the function call site in line 5 and restores the Python state from the context stack. Next, the return value, which is the output of the function, is pushed into the value stack. The function call is now finished. Finally, LWPython pops the value stack and assigns the popped value to the target B.